So now you would maybe like to use the browser-based client, the Anywhere client as well. Just remember you need to have an internet information server running as well on your server. Let's go here to the Windows Start menu into the Target folder. Here we got the Target Anywhere configuration tool, and it'll pop up like this, and it'll look for or create an application called Anywhere on your local host server. In this case, I'll just check for an update. So once I click here, it'll detect that we do have an update available. So just click the update button and wait a few seconds for that to start running. So now it's downloading and installing the Anywhere client, and it's done within a few seconds. So we can just click OK here and close the tool. So let's go to a browser and type in the URL for the Anywhere client, localhost / anywhere, and where localhost is the name of your server. Of course, that might be different in your place. But once I run this, it might come up and asking for a username and password. I will just do a login here. And now we're logged into the Anywhere client. We go to the shared folders, sales folders, etc. We can even have a look at as thumbnails, and we could go and open one of the existing dashboards like the country's dashboard.